Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to dive into TikTok ads in 2023 for dropshipping. First you want to hop onto your TikTok ads manager. Then you want to create campaign. So under the campaign tab, you want to click create. Then you want to click custom mode. You never want to click simplify mode. Next you want to click website conversions. Since we are optimizing for website conversions, you want to give it a campaign name. Let's say test 2 because I already did a test. You don't want to click smart performance campaign. Then you want to click campaign budget optimization. So we are doing a CBO. So you want to do $50. So that's the minimum. $50 is all you need to test your product out. You want to click continue. Give it an ad group name. You want to just write broad. Since we are doing a broad targeting, we're not doing any interest, we're just leaving it wide open. You want to make sure you click your pixel and always optimize for complete payment. This is a tip that you always want to do. Always complete payment, no add to cart. Then your pixel is optimized for add to cart, and then you start getting no conversions. You want to select your placement. Then you want to turn off paying goal. Then you want to click advanced settings. Now user comments is optional. It really depends on how comfortable are you with your product. I always leave it on. My products are always good, and that engagement with the comments really sets your product apart from others. Close video download and video sharing, and then leave user comment. It's completely up to you. You can turn it off also. So for this video, we're just going to leave it on. There's custom targeting and automatic targeting. You want to click automatic targeting. Now what this is TikTok is going to send crawlers to your website to determine where they should show your ad to, what type of audience they should show your ad to. So right now we're leveraging TikTok's algorithm, TikTok's system to get us the best performance. So for locations, you can leave United States or you can add Canada. It's completely up to you. Then you want to set your start time. You want it to be the next day at 12 a.m. So you have two options with this. You can set it at midnight if you have a fresh TikTok account and you need it to spend, because usually when you make a new TikTok account, it doesn't spend. It takes forever to spend. So you always want to set it at midnight. I would say for at least a week. Then you can start playing around with day parting. Day parting basically means it will only spend from like 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. somewhere around there. It depends on what time you get sales for your store. So after you start getting sales, you want to take a look at exactly what time do you usually get sales. So if you get sales after like 12 p.m. for example, there's no point of you running your ad before that. You're just wasting money. Then optimization goal, you want to keep on conversions because we're optimizing for conversions, lowest cost. Click next. So when you get to the ad creative level, you want to click on top of here. It says smart creative ads. So this will allow us to play around with different ad copies and different creatives to see which one will perform the best. You want to set your custom identity. So make sure you have a profile image here and your brand right here. Then you want to click add videos. You want at least 3 to 5 ad creatives. Then click add text. So what we can say for this is sale ends tonight. You want at least 3 texts. Sale. And then if you have a discount code, you can put that. Use my extra 10%. Which percent? All right, so under call to action, you want to click edit, leave it on dynamic, and then click view selected text. You want to turn off learn more, read more, and check it out, and subscribe. And you can also turn off view now, click confirm, put your URL, your store, the product page URL, and then click submit. So after you have submitted it, you want to go to the ad groups, and then you want to copy this at least 4 times. Click copy. And then make sure all your ad groups have this same start time. So it'll be the next day at midnight. You want to click continue to ads and submit it. If the first day the metrics are good and you do get sales, you want to scale it up. So from 50, you want to scale to 100 and so on to the day. And then when the start of the new day, you want to bring back to $50. You always want to start with $50 and then move up. If you have good metrics for the first day but no sales, I suggest leaving it run for at least 3 days. If you get no sales within those 3 days, kill the product, move on to the next product. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe, like the video, and comment for any suggestions or any other type of content you want to see. Until next time.